Hello again, my beautiful princesses and my handsome princes who are getting ready for primary school in September. Auntie Karine is here again with another lesson, another topic that you're going to meet in grade 1. So I've started off with parts of speech, and so far we did verbs. Remember the last time we did verbs? And what did I say verbs are? Very good. Verbs are action words. So when you read a sentence and there's a word in the sentence that's telling you that something or someone is doing something, then that's an action word. And action words are called verbs. Now, you read a sentence and the sentence says, the girl runs to her mother. What did the girl do? Very good. The girl runs. She runs to her mother. So run is the verb because it is showing an action. But today we're going to move on to a new part of speech. Remember, there are 8 of them in the English language. Parts of speech, and parts of speech is a simple term that is used to explain how words are used in a sentence. So today we're going to talk about adjectives. Adjectives. Yay! Adjectives. What is an adjective? What are adjectives? Alright, boys and girls, don't be confused, don't be timid or afraid of such a big word adjective, because its meaning is something simple. But before we found out what are adjectives, let's do a game. I'm going to show you something, and I have some things that I need to show you. And you are going to tell me how these things look. So you're going to look at them and you're going to tell me about their color, how they look, what you think they feel. You're going to tell me everything about it. Ready? Ta-da! Look what I have. Now what is this? Yes, it's a monkey. Now look at the monkey. How does the monkey look? Is it big or is it small? It is big. And now, what color is the monkey? White. And brown. And what color is the monkey's shirt? Red. And what color is the writing? Yellow. Right. So you're telling me about the monkey. And I'm going to squeeze the monkey. How do you think this monkey feels? How do you think it feels? Look at how I'm squeezing it. Yeah, it is soft. What else do you see about, and can tell me about this monkey? Good, it has 2 black eyes. It has a mouth. Very good. Nice. Ready again? Now what is this? Very good. It's a ball. Now look at my ball. Tell me how does this ball look? Yes, it is yellow with black spots. And look at the shape of the ball. This ball is what? Very good. The ball is round. Now I have one more for you. And this is Ernie. Ah, boys and girls. Yes, this is Ernie. Now look at Ernie. Tell me how Ernie looks. Look at Ernie and tell me how he looks. What do you say about Ernie? Is he pretty? Is he ugly? Look at his hair. What color is his hair? Good, it is black. And his face is good, yellow. And what else you see on Ernie? Good, he has a red nose and he has a mouth, and inside of his mouth is white and red. and he's wearing a blue shirt, and he has some words on him that says I am hungry. And he has stripes on his shirt, yellow stripes, and he has red pants, black shoes, and he's wearing it big or small. Yeah, it's big, and that's how Hernie looks. Bye. Yes, good job, boys and girls. You just used adjectives. Yes, you were using adjectives. So you were using adjective all along and you didn't even know. So I told you that this word may seem like a big word, but it's simple. Now, when you tell how something looks or talk about how something looks, you are describing it. And when you describe things, you're using adjectives. Yes. So the parts of speech that describes how things look or someone or something is called adjective. So we use adjectives every day in our speech when we're talking. And we as Jamaicans, we love to talk about how people look. And we look at people and say, I'm ugly. She looks so dirty. Yes. Those words. So those words that we use to describe people and tell them how them look or how them feel. Yeah. Those are adjectives. What we have to use nice adjectives to people like you're pretty or you're brilliant or you're handsome. Yes, those are nice adjective words. So, yes, you were using adjectives, boys and girls, but you did not know. So Auntie Karen is telling you now that the words that you use to describe things are called adjectives. What are they called? Adjectives. And an adjectives tell you how something looks. Adjectives tell you how something looks. Like when we were talking about the ball, so we say the ball, so we can use colors to describe things. So they say the ball is yellow and black and it's round. So you're describing the ball. So yellow is an adjective, it tells you the color. Black is an adjective, it tells you the color. And the shape, it is round. So that's an adjective. It is telling you how the ball looks. So it is describing. So that's another word to tell you how something looks. It describes, tells you how it. So here I have the word adjectives. Adjectives. And adjectives are describing words. They tell you how something or someone looks. Whenever you're talking about something and how it looks, you're describing them, and we use adjectives. Now here are some adjectives that we use to describe things. Now this word is big. 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 And we can say that something is big. The ball is big. So we're describing the ball. We're saying how it looks. So big is an adjective. Now this is the word red. Red. And when we say something is red, we are describing it. So we're using red as an adjective. And this is round. Round. Just like we say that the ball is round, so we're using the word round to tell how the ball looks. And round here would be an adjective. And this is small. Small. So if something is small and we say that it looks small, then we are describing it with the word small. That is how it looks. And when we describe things, we're using adjectives. And this word is yellow. This word is yellow. And yellow is a what? Very good. Yellow is a color. So we can use colors to describe things. So the word yellow would be an adjective. And this is pretty. This word is pretty. And when we say that the girl is pretty or the shoes is pretty, we're saying how it looks. So we're describing it. And when we describe things, we're using adjectives, because adjectives are describing words. And describing words tells you of something. Very good. Now here are some more adjectives. And remember, adjectives are describing words. They tell you how something or someone looks. Now this is the word fat. Fat. Now can you tell me something using the word fat? Use it in a sentence. Very good. The man is fat. So you're telling us how the man looks, and he looks fat. So fat, it is describing the man. And so fat is an adjective. This is the word slim. Slim. Now tell me a sentence with the word slim. The girl is slim. So you're telling me how the girl looks. So the girl is slim. So you're describing. This is clean. Clean. When somewhere looks clean, or the house is clean, or the table is clean, and you said the house is very clean, then you're telling us how it looks. So you're describing it. This is happy. And somebody looks happy. So you're telling us, you're describing the person. You're saying that the person is happy, or the person looks happy. So happy here is an adjective. And this is ugly. And we love to use this word, which is not nice sometimes, or maybe all of the times. But ugly. We can say the frog looks ugly. So you're telling us how it looks. So you're describing it. Handsome. I have an handsome son. So I'm telling you how my son looks. So handsome is an adjective. Dirty. The floor is dirty. That's how the floor looks. So you're describing it. Sweet. Sugar is sweet. So that is describing the taste of sugar. Now it is game time. So see, I have some balloons right here. And on my balloons I have adjectives. Some words are adjectives and some words are not. So this is what you're going to do. All the balloons that have adjectives, we're going to tick them. We're going to give them a tick because they're correct. But if there is no adjective, if it's not an adjective, you pop the balloon. Yeah? So if the word is an adjective on the balloon, we tick it. If it is not an adjective, we pop it. So we're going to erase it. Pop. Now let's go. So remember what adjectives do. Go there. Describe things. They tell you how it looks. Ready? Now what word is this? Big. 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 Now is big an adjective? Can big tell you how something look? Yeah, very good. So big is an adjective. Tick it. Ready again? Let's go to this word. B-A-G. Bag. Now, bag. Is bag an adjective? Does bag tell you how someone or something look? No. So we're going to pop it. Pop, 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 pop. So pop that one. That's not an adjective. Now let's go to this word. Little. Little. Can little tell you how someone or something looks? Yes. Because you can have a little bag. You can say the bag looks little. Yay, very good. So we can tick that one. Now, moving on. How about this word? What word is this? Fat. Fat. Now, fat. Can we say someone is fat or something looks fat? Yes! Very good. Nice. Now let's go over. Red. Red. Can we say someone is red? No, not someone is red. Something is red. Or probably the hair is red on someone. Yes, very good. Now let's go over to, what's this word? Dog. Dog. Now can we say someone looks like a dog? No, nobody looks like a dog. Only a dog looks like a dog. Can we use dog to describe someone? No, we wouldn't want to do that. So is dog a describing word? No, let's pop it. Pop, 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 pop. Yay! So I hope you had fun and you learned something new. So when you move on to primary school, to grade 1, and teacher is teaching you about adjectives and verbs, you would have already known those 2 parts of speech. So, who am I? Auntie Kerry. And remember, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the full videos are on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram and also on Facebook. So boys and girls, continue to read and discover new knowledge. So for now, bye.